Let's talk about this beautiful Camfield Nimble 9. Got this one special, one of a kind, built up. I got a slacker headset in it, so I got it a degree slacker than any other one. Also, I put that 160 XRT XTR spank wheels, race face crank, Thompson seat post. This thing's a beast, man. Yeah, the slackness, and then I also did this. I put these dropouts all the way back. It gave me, as you can see, about another 1.5 inches, an inch. And I like to ride aggressive. So this thing, man, is an awesome bike for me. 12 speed with that super climbing, man. Shout out to Camfield for making dope ass bikes.